Okay, so in this video, we will solve this third exercise of this mock exam test, the exam combining a lot of, all the topics we covered in the year. So the exercise says, the following diagram shows a circle with center O and radius R centimeters. We don't know the radius, okay? We have this, and it says, the points A and B lie on the circumference of the circle, and the angle AOB is called theta, okay? It's equal to theta. The area of the shaded sector AOB, so all the shaded sector, not just the triangle, but the circumference, like the circle sector, is 12 centimeters square, and the length of arc AB, so the length is 6 centimeters. So we need to find the value of R, okay? So for this, what we need to do is go to the formula booklet and take a look at this. We know a formula for the length of an arc, knowing the radius and theta, and we also know the area of a sector, knowing again the radius and the angle theta, okay? So these two formulas are going to be used combined both together in order to find the radius, okay? So notice that we know that R times theta is equal to the length, which is 6 centimeters, okay? So we know that R times theta is equal to 6. Always everything will be in centimeters or centimeters square. And then the area, which was 1/2 of R squared times theta, is equal to 12. Okay, so in this case, it's more like an algebraic question more than a geometry question, right? Because if we know that R times theta is equal to 6, okay, then this, take a look at this. We can rewrite this and we say, okay, this is equal to 1/2 times R times theta, right? Because R squared is the same as multiplying twice R, okay, with itself, right? So this 1/2 times R times theta is equal to 12 centimeters square, right? And we know that this is equal to 6, okay? So if this is equal to 6, then this equation becomes 1/2 times R times 6 is equal to 12, okay? Now this is the same as saying 1/2 times 6 is equal to 3. So 3 times R is equal to 12, okay? And this is just one equation with one unknown variable. So this says that R is equal to 4. And this is the answer, okay? So take a look at this. We only went to the formula booklet and we found these two formulas, and just by writing this and realizing some tricky things, we reached the value of the radius. Okay, so if we know the length and the area of an arc of a sector, okay, then using this we can get the value of R, and check that now that we have the value of R, we can come here, for example, and we know that R is 4, so 4 times theta is equal to 6. And this means that theta is equal to 6/4 or 3/2, 3/2. Okay, so 1.5. So we can also know the value of theta, given that we already calculated the value of R. Okay, so we can know both things. And take a look at this. I mean, we didn't do any geometry or any geometric thing or deduction. Okay, so we just grabbed the two formulas and we resolved it. Okay. So that's it for this exercise.